Host. Ah, California, the land of sunshine, surfboards, and, wouldn't you know it, judges who just can't resist throwing a wrench in the Trump administration's plans. Who needs law and order when you've got a gavel and a black robe, right? Host. So let me get this straight. We've got a judge who thinks the Office of Personnel Management, our dear OPM, can't fire probationary federal workers because, wait for it, they don't have the authority. I mean, isn't that just adorable? A federal agency lacking authority in D.C. is like a fish out of water, or should I say, a politician without a teleprompter. Host. Now let's talk about those labor unions and advocacy groups. They're up in arms claiming that mass terminations violate the Administrative Procedure Act. I can just picture them, clutching their pearls, gasping for air. Oh no, not the sacred APA. Host. And of course, this judge's ruling is being hailed as a significant setback for the Trump administration's plan to streamline federal agencies, because apparently making the government run efficiently is a crime against humanity. Who knew? Host. But here's a fun question. If getting rid of a few bureaucrats is so catastrophic, how do they explain their silence when jobs are lost due to, say, overzealous regulations or disastrous economic policies? Oh, the irony, it's like watching a cat criticize a dog for chasing its tail. Host. And let's not forget our brave probationary employees who were supposedly at risk. Poor souls just starting their careers. Because, in the real world, holding people accountable during their probationary period is just so oppressive. Host. I mean, who needs accountability when you have tenure, right? It's like being in a country club where everyone gets a trophy just for showing up. Host. This is where the judiciary steps in, ensuring that federal employees' rights are upheld. Because heaven forbid, we should have a government that actually functions effectively. Who needs that when we can have endless red tape and bureaucracy? Host. So, dear viewers, let's give a round of applause to this ruling, a victory for labor unions and federal workers. Cue the confetti and marching bands because nothing says progress like maintaining the status quo. Host. But what do you think, folks? Is this ruling a triumph for justice or just another example of judicial overreach? I want to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below. And while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Let's keep this conversation going. Host. Until next time, stay sharp, stay witty, and never forget, it's a wild world out there, but together, we've got the common sense to navigate it.